Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. Wooden Heart is a big hit for Elvis Presley, but interestingly, it was first released by Joe Dowell, because RCA decided he couldn't release the Elvis version in the US. Composition is based on the German folk song Muss I denn, which means must I then, and it's about a young man who has to leave home to find work. He leaves his girlfriend or his wife, we're not sure which, and is understandably a little bit concerned that she'll be faithful to him. Must I go while you, my darling, stay here? The Wooden Heart idea came from the 1960 Elvis Presley film, which featured the song, called G.I. Blues. Elvis's character pretended to be a puppeteer to win the heart of his girlfriend, and he said he doesn't have a wooden heart like the puppet does. It reached #1 for 6 weeks in the UK singles chart in 1961. Anyway, I'll sing it, I'll go through all the chords and also the strumming patterns. Can't you see I love you? Please don't break my heart in two. That's not hard to do, 'cause I don't have a wooden heart. And if you say goodbye, I know that I would cry. Maybe I would die, 'cause I don't have a wooden heart. There's no strings upon this love of mine. It was always you from the start. Treat me nice, treat me good, treat me like you really should. I'm not made of wood and I don't have a wooden heart. Muss I denn, in Starteller in Haus, und du, mein Schatz, bleib hier. Sieh mir gut, sei mir, wie du wirklich sollst, 'cause I don't have a wooden heart. There's no strings upon this love of mine. It was always you from the start. Treat me nice, treat me good, treat me like you really should. I'm not made of wood and I don't have a wooden heart. Well, the chords are pretty straightforward. In the key of C, so it starts off, can't you see, G7, I love you. Don't you break my heart in two. That's not hard to do. Then the D minor, I don't have G7, wood and C. Then the next bit is just the same. The middle section starts with the G7. There's no strings upon this love of mine. Now a D7, it was always there from the start. I'm using the Hawaiian D7, but you could use the proper D7 if you wish. The other thing is a strumming pattern. I'm not a great fan of having the same pattern all the way through. I think you learn the vocabulary and then do what you feel like as we go along. But one suggestion might be this: 1, 2 and 3, 4, or 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. But there are lots of others, and if you want suggestions, have a look at my video on strumming patterns on the ukulele, which you can download from the links at the end of this video. Well, as usual, I hope you enjoyed that, found it helpful, but whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.